Hi everybody, it's Domenica, Senior Writer of Home and Decor Singapore. In today's episode of Style Spy, I will teach you how to decorate your home with simple craft materials such as washi tape. Here is what you'll need: a selection of washi tape, craft paper, some photo frames, a scissors or pen knife, and some stickers.
For the first look, let's try making a confetti-inspired design. Simply cut the washi tape into various sizes and stick them in a random fashion. It really is that easy. Just remember, there are no strict rules, so be creative. Now, let's try making a chevron pattern design. First, draw grids on the craft paper to form equally sized squares to guide you in achieving the pattern. Stick along the vertical lines, followed by diagonals within each grid. Here's the final look. You can basically create any pattern or design that you like, so explore different options and just try your hands at it. After all is done, you can pin or frame them up as personalized decor accessories. Have fun!